Oh, what is up, everybody? Well, as you can see, that didn't last too long. It's such a beautiful day today, so it's so hard to not take out the bike. Look at that color. It's just been so blue for the past 2 weeks. But we're back. Just want to get some fresh air. But first, we need some gas. Oh, I missed this. And surprisingly, I'm sweating right now. I had more than I thought. Cons of not having a gas gauge. This is my 2003 CBR600F4I, not the double R. I wish I had the double R. Before this, I had a Ninja 300. Honestly, I missed that bike so much. Everyone thought I started out on this bike, but nope, I had a 300 before. What I can say though, Kawasaki quality build is very similar to Honda, in my opinion. The way it rides on a Kawasaki though, it feels a little rowdy. How do I say it? You know, on the Honda, everything is very refined. But on the Kawasaki, it's just, everything feels sporty. Yeah, I sold that bike to get this bike because I knew that bike wasn't enough for me. All it took was one highway run in that little bike for me to know I want to go faster. And that's how I ended up with this bike. And I didn't just get this bike off of Marketplace either. I got it from a friend of mine. He wanted to upgrade, so it was my time to snatch this. Yeah, there's not much done to this bike. It's basically bone stock. When I got this bike, I already had the exhaust on it, which is freaking loud on the outside. But it's not as bad as my other friends. Oh, I shall go this way. Oh, that was so scary because I was approaching a turn and I couldn't see. Right now the bike is on the fairing kit, as you can see, red, white and blue, just to make it look like a fire blade. You know what I need though? This coming season I'm gonna definitely need some new tires, new brakes. My tires they're so old. I don't know how I'm still alive on these tires. But other than that, the bike has been serving me really good. It's smooth, it rips. This bike does not come with a gear indicator. Honestly, that's the one thing I wish the bike had, but I am also totally fine without it. It just makes life just slightly easier because I get lazy sometimes and I forget what gear I'm in if I'm just cruising. It's really lucky that I get a nice day like this in winter, or else I will have nothing to do. It's so weird. After not hopping on a bike for a while, I almost forgot how to ride slow. But that's why we're out practicing again. Oh, that's a cool Mercedes. I drive one of those. The weather is so nice right now, I'm not even wearing my full gear. Yeah, this is the shoes I'm repping today. No boots. Yeah, I really hope that you guys like the videos that I make, because I definitely enjoy making every single one of them. Sometime watching back the clips that I have recorded, we do some pretty stupid shit that I cut out. I say the most dumbest things. I think it's so funny to me. That's the best part, it's just reliving the moments again. I don't really have a destination today, I'm just kind of riding around anywhere. Ooh, I love being obnoxious. I never get it. Why do people fight for the spot down here? It's not like you leave earlier. Honestly, I feel that you leave the same amount of time. There's so much more spot up there. Why are we fighting? I hate slow speed right now. I feel rusty. Damn. 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 Here's a better look at the bike if you haven't seen it already. Ooh, I also fixed the chain guard here. It's no longer rattling. I put new bolts in. It works. Yeah, this is a much needed ride. After this, I'll probably put my bike away again. I think that's enough ride for me. But I'll stop the video here. If you guys enjoy seeing me ride today again, feel free to leave me a like or comment down below. With that being said, I'll catch you guys next time.